Today we're taking a look at Genesis chapter 3. We'll see the serpent's lies and the choices that changed our world forever.
Now the serpent was more subtle than any animal of the field which Lord God had made. He said to the woman, "Has God really said, 'You shall not eat of any tree of the garden'?" The woman said to the serpent, "Of the fruit of the trees of the garden we may eat, but of the fruit of the tree which is in the middle of the garden, God has said, 'You shall not eat of it, neither shall you touch it, lest you die.'" The serpent said to the woman, "You won't surely die, for God knows that in the day you eat it, your eyes will be opened, and you will be like God, knowing good and evil." When the woman saw that the tree was good for food, and that it was a delight to the eyes, and that the tree was to be desired to make one wise, she took of its fruit and ate, and she gave some to her husband with her, and he ate. The eyes of both of them were opened, and they knew that they were naked. They sewed fig leaves together and made themselves aprons. They heard the voice of Lord God walking in the garden in the cool of the day, and the man and his wife hid themselves from the presence of Lord God among the trees of the garden. Lord God called to the man and said to him, "Where are you?" The man said, "I heard your voice in the garden, and I was afraid, because I was naked, and I hid myself." Lord God said, "Who told you that you were naked? Have you eaten from the tree that I commanded you not to eat from?" The man said, "The woman whom you gave to be with me, she gave me fruit from the tree, and I ate." Lord God said to the woman, "What is this you have done?" The woman said, "The serpent deceived me, and I ate." Lord God said to the serpent, "Because you have done this, you are cursed above all livestock and above every animal of the field. On your belly you shall go, and you shall eat dust all the days of your life. I will put enmity between you and the woman, and between your offspring and her offspring. He will bruise your head, and you will bruise his heel." To the woman he said, "I will greatly multiply your pain in childbirth. In pain you will bear children. Your desire will be for your husband, and he will rule over you." To Adam he said, "Because you have listened to your wife's voice and have eaten of the tree, cursed is the ground for your sake. In toil you will eat of it all the days of your life. By the sweat of your face you will eat bread until you return to the ground, for out of it you were taken, for you are dust, and to dust you shall return." The man called his wife's name Eve, because she was the mother of all living. Lord God made coats of skins for Adam and for his wife, and clothed them. Lord God said, "Behold, the man has become like one of us, knowing good and evil. Now, lest he reach out his hand and also take thereof from the tree of life, and eat, and live forever." Therefore Lord God sent him out from the Garden of Eden to till the ground from which he was taken. So he drove out the man, and he placed cherubim at the east of the Garden of Eden, and the flame of a sword which turned every way to guard the way to the tree of life.
Even with everything that happened in this chapter, I love how God didn't leave them. He still provided for them. It's a reminder for me that I should really listen for His voice in my own life. So let's try to keep His word in our hearts as we go through this week. Until next time, I hope you have a truly blessed week.